Hello, welcome to live trading with me. It's about 6 minutes before market open, and we have this massive ass new week opening gap. How many points is that? Trump said some goofy shit on the weekend. 300 points, Jesus Christ. I think what happened? His deal didn't go to plan with Iran. Not my issue, but fucking hell. Taking out all this low resistance liquidity. So yeah, let's just kind of get a bias for the day. Come into this daily gap, and we seem to be distributing out. We have daily highs here stacked, so we have really good liquidity to the upside. I've marked this out as a gap fill because it's started the new week opening gap. And then also we have AM high up here, okay. And then on the sell side, we have this low here, which I'm assuming is like a hourly intermediate, maybe not. No, nothing. It's just the low that took out London low. Okay. So I'm not going to mark that. I'm going to mark this. And we're only going to bring it to 4 o'clock. So that's a 1 hour intermediate low. I like to label my shit because I just forget what they are. And this seems like there's good chunk of liquidity out there, so it's a nice little objective. Have we already gone to there? No, so I know it's the same thing on the S, so I just go same, draw it out. 1 hour intermediate low. It's a good draw. Anything else in the 1 hour? There's nothing in the 4 hours there. Oh, it's also a 4 hour. So, excellent draw. If I was bearish, I would only want to trade to that. But I'm bullish, so we can use it as a reaction point up, or maybe trade towards it if we get an opportunity. So this looks like quite high resistance liquidity. So I expect this 15-minute gap to hold here. Unless we inverse it, then I can trade down confidently. But I don't think I'll trade shorts until this 15-minute gap's been broken. And we will get a 30-minute gap. Is that the correct 30-minute? Yeah. So 30-minute gap. We just swept this high as well, so I can see us coming down to this 30-minute gap. 30-minute, I'm on my fair value gaps out with this box. Bring it to 4 hours here at the bottom. I'm going to 4, which is 11 AM for New York. And then I haven't marked out my bullish targets, so we have fill of the new log, which is new week opening gap. Then we have PM high, no, AM high, sorry. High. And I'm assuming that's the daily high up there. Yeah. Oh. This is what I do every morning, about 10 minutes before. We're just about to open. Okay, cool. Let's see what occurs at open. Go to 1 minute. Mark everything out that we need to. No, 50 minutes, 5 minutes. We don't care about those right now. See what happens. quite far away from this objectives, which is a bit annoying. Four, three, two, one, go! We're shooting up. Yeah, after I've marked out my stuff, I'll go just on ES or just on NQ. Just so I can get a bit of a wider view of what's going on. Helps me. I find that works better than the split view. Split view is fine for back testing. I'm not loving this. If we're taking out this high, we'd have to pull back and then trade towards the next high. I'll take along. But right now, I'm not feeling any pressure because I'm not loving the conditions we're trading, so I'm unlikely to take a trade. It's also Monday. Tensions are high. I'm chilling right now, but I definitely will get nervous towards if I see a good setup. So I'm a wee pussy. I've taken that all that liquidity. I mean, we still haven't really mitigated this. So we could come up here and then rebalance this area right here, potentially. Because we haven't even dipped into this really. Let's turn those off because we might have everything we need. Actually, let me turn it back on and just bring all these to 4 o'clock so it's easy to see. I know I look like a noob doing this, but it's what I have to do. I've only been doing it 10 months. And these are 2 daily highs. I can remember that. Like when I come up there, but how many points is that? 200. Well, we could get there by the end of the day, potentially. What we doing now? Yeah, I'll not take a short here. Got a little 5-minute here. Like, for us to take a short, we need to be reacting off something. And right now, we're reacting off nothing. Like, 50% of the range has already been taken out. So we can't react off that. It's just tricky. Well, it's tricky trading in this 300 point zone. So what I'd love us to do is become a bit bearish, then we've got something to target. It'd be great. So we've got to inverse this 30-minute first. Because at the moment we are, looks like an uptrend, doesn't it? Higher high, higher low. Lower high, low low. That took me a while to get my head wrapped around what the hell. Lower high, lower low, and higher low, higher low. At the start of my trading career, oh my god. Open high, low, close. And then the other one, I can't remember what that was. Literally not even looking at anything here. Hey, bud. Oh, I mark out my shit. Don't tell me that I'm a Q. The fuck? Oh, what? Why did I mark out my shit on ES? It's in me, yeah. So why is it not doing that? When Bruh, I have to restart TradingView. What the fuck's going on? Such. Oh my days. I'm gonna just put. Okay, I have no idea what's going on. But yes, was being goofy. But I have to get all my markings out. I just couldn't bother to do it again, so it wasn't working. It only works in this dual window, which is weird. Guess I have to mark them out separately for next time, which is a bit slower. I mean, it's 5 minutes short isn't bad. If we get it. But again, we're not reacting off anything, so I'm not bothered. I don't care if I don't take a trade today at all. Ooh, that's good. So this is the S&P 500 on this little window here, so I can, look out for kind of where it is. If it's hit a key level that I'm looking at on NQ, on both. If there's an S&T, you don't really like, or also if it's like ES and NQ are completely uncoordinated, that's something else to look out for. But right now, well, what I do is just mainly look at NQ because that's what I actually put my orders on. Technically, I put my orders on M and Q. But use NQ field charts for sure. Watch people take this pattern trade and lose. So 2 minute issue, 1 minute, 5 minute, respecting the 5 minute, blah, blah, blah. People will take this 100% this long here, and they could win. Oh. But for me, I'd rather wait for it to come down to a better draw liquidity. That's near the equilibrium of the range. I don't really fancy taking this. If it was a major S&T, I'll need a bit more for me to take this. I know it's a continuation, so it's more likely than the retracement or a reversal, but price isn't looking that great anyway at the moment. Can't believe I'm coming to that 30-minute open. Hmm. 5 minute. Oh, it's kind of here as well. It's 2 little 5 minutes there. No. Shut him. You can even go on your phone right now. Well, I would. It's not looking like something I ought to be trading.
many tattoos do you have? Paul? 27. Oh.
Mirror. Should I cut this down, or do I just let it flow? No, I'm just gonna let it flow. TGR style. For the record, I have not taken this trade. I'm not going to. I want to see a rapid inverse of this gap. And we've taken, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes so far. It ain't looking good. Come into it, rejecting. So if you get an S&T here and then immediately go up, that's a better trade. We're just taking it open. It's actually probably the best draw. So I'm going to go 9, 30. Oh, just a smiley face. 9, 9, 30. Open. So that's an alright draw actually. To the upside. Oh. 2-minute rejection work. 1 minute inverse. You know what? I do think this is going to play out if this inverses it, right? But I will not take it back testing. I'm not confident about it. Okay, maybe it doesn't inverse it. If it displays that in one candle, I think it'll play out. But look at that rejection now. Definitely not. No way. Yeah, yes, it's not inversing this gap either. It's just slur. Anyone had slur before? It's decent. It's like fizzy. I don't know. It's really nice. I think I've got my mic on too loud. Get some air. ASMR. Data creating. See, these are things you can do whilst trading looks like this. Like poo. Oh, it's going to play out this stupid inverse. But, I mean, I don't think I'll take that back testing. I still want to be confident about it. It's taking so long to. I think we're just waiting to distribute downwards. We'll get rid of that. Because that will make me take it. Honestly, at some point in my trading career, I would have. So 30-second here. I would have tried to get in before this closed and then just get stopped out immediately because I thought it was coming up. And that still went through my mind, but instead of acting on it, I was patient. Only taking A+ trades, dude. I'd rather take this short, you know. But I'm still not reacting to everything. Oh, I thought it was like an S&T up here. I would take this 5 minute short. How many minutes will close? We've just closed, which is rubbish. Okay. I do think we're going to come down. Just remaining patient. Second curtain. Oh. Third curtain. Ooh. That's a nicely to the downside here. We definitely come into this little dirty minute. And this will depict what I'm bullish or bearish if we react nicely off this. or if you go straight through it. Because this is such a lovely liquidity point right here. It hadn't had a real retrace apart from that. Jesus Christ. That's disgusting. My bad. Oh, SMT. Still respect the 5 minute. 1 minute inverse to the upside. Oh my god. No, I'm joking. I would never take this. Eternal high. Break even point. See, I'm going through the motions of where I would be, I don't know, 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Being like, holy shit, this is a good trade, but it ain't. If you think that's coming all the way up to here, you're stupid. Look at the 5 minute. Look how bearish it's been in the last 2 candles. Doon. Don't really mind it, but again, what have we manipulated into? Nothing. Manipulated this 5 minute intermediate, and also we're going lower again, so it's not protected low. Glad that didn't play out. 5 minute. Let's see. I'll get a 5 minute version now. What the fuck are we doing? Yes. I don't even know. Definitely coming down. Damn, that been here. Really would have taken it. Jesus Christ, where the fuck's this coming from? I want to take this. But it makes shorts tiny bit a bit better. Won't take this long still. Jesus. Jesus! How the fuck has that come from? Do you have news there? God, it's really baiting me out. I suck at chess, guys. I lost. Oh! God, I don't like how search history been out in the open. What was I searching up? Oh yeah, Forest Factory. No. Nothing. Thursday. Jesus Christ. That has come out of nowhere. What the fuck? Maybe if you did this 30 minute? I know there's an S&T there, but jeez Louise, if you took that long, well done to you, mate. You just got yourself a band or whatever. I was just not interested there. Wanted to come into this 30 minute at least. This is annoying. Has respect to that 5 minute now. How is it not coming to the 30 minute? Wow. Oh my gosh, shooting up. Equilibrium, hasn't even hit equilibrium. Oh my god. Where's this come from? It's like market opens 20 minutes later. Has Trump tweeted? Fucking Trump, man. What's he like? Oh. Breaking. Transcript from 2019 exposes more deep state machinations against Trump. Nice. Oh, what the hell? We've had 30-point candles this whole session, then let's get two 50-point candles. Up 100 points in 2 minutes. That's fucking mental. What the hell score was that? 125 points in 3 minutes. This is not normal, man. He has just gone to the moon. What the hell is even that? I mean, if anything, it's generating more liquidity to the downside here, but surely that's some inside bank shit, right? But practically, if this candle here doesn't, or is lower than this 5-minute 5-minute fair value gap, we've inversed it. Oh no, this 2 minute. What the hell? Fair play. Yeah. Maybe I enter there on eval because I've got a lot of time to think. No, on back testing. But you know when it, that 30 second. Yeah, that 30 second. You got 30 seconds to decide whether it's getting into this trade or not. And it hasn't swept that. And you've already swept the 930 high on ES. That looks like a bloody CPI. It's bigger than the CPI candle the other day. Mate. Jeez Louise. I'm trying to work what caused that, or is that just price action? Yeah, we kind of are generating liquidity, but S&T, the 5-minute, when there's juicy 30-minute, how close are we to 30-minute? 2 point, well, 3 points. Also, if you hit that 30-minute, that's a beautiful trade. Yeah. S&T, 94. Oh, that's a great trade if we hit that. What should I say on MQ? No, we don't. We don't. Jeez, this is a pattern trade right here. Pattern trade, dude. Yes, it's an inversed. Please get stopped out. Please, 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 please. Just showing. That pattern trades do exist. Oh, it's not going to stop down. Jeez. Okay, we have a 5-minute that's not sponsored. It's not a great 5 minute to use. Oh, why the fuck did we do that? Well, see, sort of wouldn't mind a little inversion here. Straight down to this little clissy. But again, we haven't actually taken out anything. Took that. Good on you. Good on you, guys. What the hell? I don't know if other people took that. Let's go online. No way. I mean, I would hope not many people did that. Because I'll get better FOMO. Guess we wait. Guess we wait. Oh, wasn't it a 30 minute? Well, it's also bad traded. That one, without hitting, that is not a good trade. Displacement was good there. Oh, it kind of is a good trade, but even without hitting the 30 minute, but I just wanted it to hit that. Damn it. Oh, span trade's paying out as well. Jesus Christ. Wow. Would have hit. Would have hit. Super 2 minute. Oh, what the hell. Right now, I'll get really pissed off that I have called out 2 trades and they've both been winners. I kind of am, but it's not making me want to put in a stupid trade though, which is really good. And it definitely has done before. Defo. This is actually mental. Oh, bullish we are. Yeah, I'm definitely looking towards it. Yeah, there's no bear trades today. No bear trades unless it's like a ridiculous retracement trade. Can't see my knee. Some naturals. Right. What's happened in the last 2 minutes? Nothing. That was a good. Also 15-minute intermediate high. Probably 30-minute as well, but well, yeah. Well, if we had this 15-minute gap, go into it. I will target this. Times at half an hour into the session. TJ, I would have taken that long, I reckon. And it would have continued all the way up to this high. I reckon. Okay. Let's respect this 5-minute. Distribution crazy there. From nowhere. That. Oops. Ugh. We're going to take on my draw. Are we going to take it out? Fucking looks like it, doesn't it? And after that, if we're bullish, the only thing I'm looking for whatsoever is retrace into the 15-minute. Then higher, I guess. And we are due a retrace. Price is slowing down here, look. Oh, please don't take it. That would be beautiful. Gone down. Now it's got to not take it within 6 minutes and then trade towards it. Be beautiful. So boring. You can skip this part if anyone's watching. So Deb, S&T, love to see it. What would be a 5 minutes retrace do? That's a really good trade if came to 30 minute. Generates liquidity, 930 adds liquidity. Low resistance, distribution, CISD. How the 5 minute? Oh dear. Oh, I'm going to pause it until it's 3:15.
Both do the same course. We were like, right, let's do the maths of how many things we need to hand in over the next wee while. In the next 15 days, we have 5 things to hand in. That's a thing every 3 days. And you might be thinking, oh, you'll be hard at work then. Today you must have done a lot. Loki just did fuck all. I was procrastinating all day. But I feel like I need this like time period to like mull over the workload that I've. No bag, no beer. Check on there's someone above you lurking. Oh my god. Bro, there's someone up here. Put your torch up there. Hey! Are you dizzy, blood? That is. Germ spot. Yeah, Mama's a stupid idea about work. That's enough. You boys heard your mother. We have always said you have to concentrate on your schoolwork before wasting your time on dead-end jobs. You have got your whole life to work and only one chance to learn.
I told them to get jobs, Hal.
The value of hard work. Money doesn't grow on trees. The sooner you two kids have jobs, the better. Germ spot.
Yeah, Mama's a stupid idea about work.
That's enough. You boys heard your mother. We have always said you have to concentrate. I want to run a
28 weeks since the game's come out. I'd say I do maybe 250,000 points a week, so times 28, 7 million FIFA points, divided by 18,500, and then times 116.99, 44 grand. I don't think that's outrageous. 28 weeks since the game's come out.
I might get canceled.
Now 10,000.
The fuck? I low-key forgot to restart. But basically, we came into the 15-minute. Don't even know if we got to that part. We came to the 15-minute. I opened at 3:15 or 10:15. Then we got some distribution out. We were looking for a 5-minute inversion of this 5-minute gap here. However, Trump tweeted at 3:23, which caused this massive 50-point wick. That we're looking to bounce off and maybe inverse this 5-minute gap to the upside. Because we've got big rejection wick here, which is pretty good for rejection or a key level. I mean, just looking out for the 5-minute inverse just in case, but I'd rather it come down and don't know if we're going to get it. Could do. The buzzer beater. No, we don't. But again, go rejection. Low high. I mean high. High low. Sorry. High low. Low up here. Low here. That's higher than that one. High low. Simples. Now I've just got to remain patient. Patience, patience, patience. I remember when I had to trade 3 times a day. But to be honest, nothing's good enough for me yet. And this downhill was nice, but technicalities. Even this was nice. I'm not getting that distribution I kind of want right now. Yes, is though. Which is not the best sign for a 5-minute. The genuine thing I could hop off now and be fine, but I'm just going to hold on. Alright, so inverse, let's go now. In 3 minutes. Fuck. Trip equal highs. That'll be taken out. I don't really like taking 5 minutes at the end of the session because they take so long. Volatility is lower. I really want to resweep of this, or just come to this level over here, then a 1-minute inversion, take out to this. Would be lovely. Equal highs on the S as well. Good draw. 5 minute and 1 minute rejection wicks, or rejection blocks. 15 minute rejection block. Gonna get any retrace before we come up. Doesn't look like it, does it? Are we going to inverse this 5 minute? Looks like we are. I'm not going to take this. Velocity is so low. For bullishness right now. If I took this long, and I'm kind of aiming for like around here, I need my stop to be 1.5 level on the 1 minute. We could come down to that. I'm not going to take this. 5 minutes don't bode well with me, especially at the end of the session. If I like the fact that it's inverse the 5 minute, if you do come up, get a reaction off of this level, then come up, be happy to take it. If not, no worries. I mean, for me, if I did this, I'd want to go break even at the triple equal highs. And that's like, it's not really worth it for me. What's that 5 minute? Yeah, RR is pretty wonky as well. Right, would I feel confident leaving my stop there? No, we've got low resistance leading up to it, maybe. Jesus. <clears throat> 25 minutes left of the session. Great draw for a yes. Let's see. Can we get some volatility? Okay, that's been inversed. Don't care about that. We have a good break-even point. Into the rejection wick. See, look, we're down here. I'll be shitting myself if I took the 5 minute long now. Why don't we want to stop? But I'm in a better position now. Into the rejection block. I mean, technically, we kind of have an S&T here. So that was signifying taking the next low, which is here, before coming up. Because technically, we have filled orders at this wick. but it is equal. Low velocity now. Want to take this 1 minute version? Nope. Oh, this is so boring, man. Trading's boring sometimes. Let's clean up our chart, why don't we? More fun that way. Right. RPS as well. Oh, it's already clean. Hello. Blood. We've moved all of our session 2 candles, 3 candles. Mondays, eh? Mondays. Drew that wrong. You can't have an S&T here. Not worth it, not worth it at the end of the... Near the end of the session now. But we are accumulating here. It seems. Building. Liquidity to manipulate. Hopefully. I mean, nothing obvious stands out right now, does it? Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm going to end it here. But if I do take something in the next 20 minutes, I'll let you all know. Okay, I'm actually going to hop off now. This has been shit. Kind of a shit session. Some people definitely took trades down here. But oh well. Missed it. Would rather it come down 3 more points into the 30 minute. Oh well, no trade day. Not want to FOMO into anything. And I'll be mad at myself if I lost now. So thanks for watching. I'm going to upload this now.